So I've reviewed quite a lot of mouse mats on this channel before. I've had ones from SteelSeries, Tardigs, and now we're going to have a look at the HyperX Fury S. So here it is in all its glory. I've struggled to get the camera far back enough to get it all in. It's 900mm wide by 420 high. That's considerably, probably a third again higher than the SteelSeries QCK. This is the extra large version. It is available in more traditional sizes where you just have the mouse on it. If I move the keyboard and the mouse on, for a size comparison, you'll see just how much space there is now. Barely fits on my desk. The material feels really similar to the SteelSeries. It's really slick under the mouse. You're going to have no drag there at all, not even over the logo. On the bottom side is like a rubbery, grippy material. That's pretty nice. Some mouse mats, this desk is glass, and some mouse mats slide around a bit, but this is absolutely solid. I can't move it at all, so that's really good. If I give you a close-up of the edge here, you can see it's a braided edge, very similar to all its rivals. It's not going to fray like some of the earlier SteelSeries mouse mats have been prone to. The mouse mat itself is 4mm thick. It's not quite as padded feeling as the Tardigs I've reviewed on this channel before, but very similar to the SteelSeries. Really nice under your hand. I've used this for a few hours gaming, and I haven't noticed any like drag or soreness from rubbing on the mouse mat at all. If I had any criticism of this mouse mat, it would be that it's a little bit boring looking and shows the dirt because it's just solid black. There's no pattern or anything like that other than the HyperX logo. So if you want something a bit more exciting, you might want to look elsewhere. For a size comparison, here is the Tardigs mouse mat, which is a very similar size to the SteelSeries one. So it's not only wider by about 10 centimeters, but it's higher by about 15 centimeters. So, the HyperX Fury S. Gets a thumbs up from me. If you need a mouse mat, which is huge, gives you masses of work area, I highly recommend it. If you don't mind having something slightly smaller, I'd definitely go for the SteelSeries just because it's a little bit cheaper, and to be honest, the quality, the surface, the braidedness, the rubbery back is all the same. It's usually available on Amazon for around the £25 mark. I'll stick some links in the description below to where you can buy it. Please subscribe to my channel to be notified of my latest videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.